Peace, welcome, and greetings. This is Amethyst, and I invite you today to flow with me as we honor our Sacral Chakra, or Tekh Arit. This is the area of our feminine energy, sensuality, our desires, our pleasures, our emotions, and most importantly, our ability to create. Begin by lying down on your belly. Allow your arms to float to the sides of you. Your head is to one side. And really just allow your body to melt into the earth, into your mat. Begin to notice your breath. And go ahead and turn your head in the other direction. Take a deep cleansing breath with me. Inhale deep through the nose. Press your belly against the mat. And slowly exhale. Bring your palms to your chest. Ease up into Cobra, lifting the chest up. Breathe in and exhale, come back down to the earth. Again, inhale, push up into Cobra. Maybe lift your feet off the ground as well. Really pushing your womb space, your creative space, your sacral energy below your navel into the ground. Release the body. Move into a thunderbolt position. Lift the body. Bend the knees, sit back on your heels, and slowly inhale the arms all the way up. Bring your palms together in prayer position. Exhale down through your heart space, and then allow your hands to rest on your knees. Take a moment to calm the mind and breathe. Gently begin to move your torso in a circle position, starting toward your left. Create some circles with your body. Really activating that sacral center. And then let's reverse it on the other side. Continue to breathe as you move. And then find stillness. Inhale deep and then exhale. Still lengthen through the spine. Come back to center. Move into a tabletop position. Your wrists are underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Lean forward and then press your hips back just a little bit to stretch out your wrist. Continue that movement as you see fit. And then extend the arms out in front of you just a little bit. Send the hips toward the ground and rotate the hips in a circle. Your hips are toward your feet. And then open up the body, hips toward your mat as you lean forward. Let's go ahead and bring it to the other side. As you come back into center, rotate in the other direction. Just feel the body moving in this sacral movement of sensuality, of creation. Come back to center. Widen the knees. Press the hips forward. Open up the chest. And maybe you want to bring your toes together, your feet together, and lift up off the ground. This is really stretching our lower abdomen. And then gently come into your child's pose, knees wide to the mat, hips to your heels. Lower the body to the ground. And just take a moment to breathe in and out of the nose slowly in this position. Begin to slowly rotate your hands over to the left of your mat. Inhale in and exhale the body back down to the earth, feeling a stretch in your right side body, and just breathe. And gently move the hands through center and come on to the other side of the mat. Left hand on top of your right. Inhale, exhale, float to the earth. Take this time now to feel your body on this side. Notice what feels good. And notice the breath. And begin to lift and bring the hands back through center. Bring them in and come into a variation of child's pose. Bring your knees together, arms down by your side, forehead on the mat. And then gently lift the body back up. Let's gently come into a pigeon. So bring your left leg in front, bend at the knee, and come into your pigeon. Extend your right leg back. Lift the chest for a moment and exhale down if that feels good to you. Maybe place a pillow underneath your head or your hips. And let's go ahead and inhale the body all the way back up. Bring your right leg over your left knee for a beautiful lateral stretch. I'm going to turn here so you can see me. Inhale the arms all the way up and twist toward the right so your left elbow is meeting your right knee. Right hand is extended out behind you. Just feel a simple twist here to activate our digestion, our sacral chakra. Inhale the arms all the way back up. Exhale down and release. And gently release the body. Come back into your tabletop. Bring the hips towards your heels. Just take a moment to stretch out your back. Roll the body back up into table and bring your right foot in front this time. Extend that left leg back for pigeon. Inhale, open up the chest. Stay here or exhale, bring the body down to the mat. Feel free to bend your knees if that feels more comfortable. Use your arms as a pillow. Whatever you need in this moment. Just take a moment to breathe through the stretch. And slowly inhale the body all the way back up. Begin to bring that left leg forward and over your right knee. And gently inhale the arms all the way up. Exhale, shift towards your left. So your right elbow is meeting your left knee. Left hand extended behind you. Just breathe. And inhale the arms all the way up this time. Exhale, bring them forward. Make your way to your back. Lower yourself down to the ground. Bottoms of your feet come to your mat. Keep a bend in the knees. Arms down by your side. Let's move into a bridge. Lift the pelvis up off the ground. And exhale, lower your body back down to the earth again. Inhale, lift the pelvis. Exhale down. One more time, peel the body up as far as you can. Let's pulse it here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And begin to bring your knees toward your chest so your calves and your feet are parallel to the floor. This is called your womb seat. Again, it helps to activate that sacral area. Maybe place your hands over the lower part of your abdomen and begin to extend the legs out to the side. This is called the lotus position, according to the womb yoga dance by Queen Afua. Maybe extend the arms out in front of you as well, or keep them down by your side. This is strengthening our womb area, our creation. And gently begin to bring your legs down to meet the mat. Open up the knees for a butterfly. Place your hands underneath your navel if they're not already there. And just take a moment to feel energy circulating through your sacral chakra, your Tekh Arit. Know that you are divine, you are sensual, you are creative in all that you do. And then begin to slowly lift the knees up and bring them into your chest. Hug your knees in, lift your head, and gently release back down to the earth. Maybe rock your knees from side to side. Extend the legs up in the air, flex your feet, and point your toes. If you choose, give your legs a nice massage. Just be easy with your body. Feel good in your body. And then begin to bring your knees toward your shoulders for happy baby. Place your hands on the outside of the front of your feet. Allow your hips to open up here. Find some stillness first. Continue to breathe. Or rock from side to side if that feels good to you. Just take a moment here to notice the body in this asana, in this posture. And gently release the feet back down to your mat. Keep a bend in your knee and allow your hands to float to your sides for just a moment so you can feel the ground beneath you. And bring your attention back to your breath. Back to all that you want to create in this next season of life. And whenever you're ready, begin to extend the body fully down to the earth. Bring your palms again one last time to your sacral energy center, the area right below your navel. Maybe you give yourself a gentle massage there, sending beautiful love through your fingertips to that area of the body, knowing that you are well, you are creative, you are safe in manifestation. You can bring forth all that you desire, all that you want to experience. And allow yourself to move into our final asana, Savasana or mummy. Arms down by your side, palms facing forward. And just breathe in and out. Notice the thoughts that come to mind, and then gently allow them to float away. And as you come back to the body, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe to check out my next video, which is our solar plexus. Thank you so much. Peace and love.